kanje kuwena zibuza ukuthi lo muntu waseba nothando loyiqinisa ngako uJanuary hayi angeke ngithi kanje uthi babudodela ngithi kanje lo muntu ngathi usefaka inzipho kumina kanti lo muntu kwakudlaliseka uyabamba phela umhlopho uyakhanya kunezinto ngempela obona ukuthi hayi lo bhuti lo ufike kumina right lo bhuti useqala ungibekela inkinga zakhe usefelwe imoto usekuthi ubizwe kwi-interview eKempton Park sefuze ngimthenge isithi eBanom siswami ima kanje kunento ethi nje hold look after yourself bheka ingane zakho ukuthi zibuyele esikoleni zinawo wonke inamaninzi demands asesikoleni bheka le ndlu njengoba uthi uzopenda isilingi ukuthi usuyipendile njengoba icracker isilingi akuqala ubheke lokho umholo wakho oqala lozoba nawo uJanuary start not to make mistakes thathu please abanye abantu ngomholo wakho ngoba uzothi uzaba ukutshengisa ukuthi ngempela uzalo luzobona ukuthi ngabe ngizamile ngamandla onke. This year we will bury people that esingalindele ukuthi sizobangcwaba. Trust me, kuzoshaya uApril sazi ukuthi abantu sebeyihisi, kuzoshaya uApril abantu sesibagezela amafosholo. This is a different year altogether. Engisho ukuthi asidlaleni amakhadi ethu asibe more soft and stop indicating and show power to other people because those people they don't have power to show you. They will got explosive to throw it on you. And when they throw those explosive, they'll explode. You cannot hold those fragments not to harm you. This is 2026. I guess ubuke but sungabuka ngendlela abasitshele yona ngoba indlela abasitshele yona bebesideceive bebefuna ukuthenza ama mistake. I ain't going to make this mistake. I'm not going to make mistake. Yeah, people. I also closed last year ngenza izinto that can help me. Ngenza izinto eziningi ngizenzile, but when I close this year last year but engikufuna this year I need to help my clients to repel what is called poverty. Sikubonile ungabi nayo imali and abantu ungabi nayo imali kuhlukile ukuhlupheka nongabi nayo imali. Ukuhlupheka yenye into ungabi nayo imali yenye into futhi because it's whereby mengifike eMalawi ngibona poverty rather than lack of money. eMalawi they don't lack money, they are in extreme poverty. Ngisho ukuthi singafanisi izinto, but this year what I brought ngilungise isimo sokuthi I have to throw a storm kuwena that will cleanse you from the poverty that okuyona. Awazi ukuthi ungathi usebenza kahle ngakho ngishaya namahloni ukuthi wenzani kwawena noma sihlangana uba namahloni uhamba nama colleagues zakho ayilento wena ufana nayo uyabo ayilento wena ufana nabo kodwa awunalutho nisebenza ndawo ushawa amahloni engisho ukuthi awungashawa kamahloni ngoba this year sikhathele inyanga efaka ama CV sikhathele inyanga ezifaka ama CV and inyanga kube inyanga endaweni yabo yobunyanga sonke lento sifuna ukuthi sibalekele laba bathi badinga ukulekelela but sibalekelele with conscious and understanding ukuthi konke abakunawo bakuzamile but thina